Alright, let's go see what everybody's doing.
Alright everybody, here we go. Come here, Lynn. Okay.
I see a man come. What you doing, Sound?
Alright. Hey, Brent. Look at Lynn. Smoke still has his leash.
I know, I see that.
Luna. This is Loon's first time at the farm. She is investigating. There's the sounds. It's like a new place. We got special guest Bernie in the corner. Hey, say hi, Bern. Who's up on the deck?
Oh.
Loon, you having a good time? Guys, check out this fence that Robert has built. We have a nice gate over here so we can entrap the dogs. We have it going all the way around. It's a nice sunny day out today for them. Rained yesterday, so looking good.
Hey guys, welcome. So, we're at the fence. We're inside the area for the dogs. And we are very excited because they have been waiting for this since we bought the farm a few months ago now. And Robert did an awesome job, as you can see all around. Luna, are you enjoying it? Luna. And we have some fences over here as well on the deck so that they can either be kept only in the yard or here and here as well. So these are all secured and they are loon proof so that all of the creatures can safely enjoy the farm.
So here we have a doggy window, guys, in the fence. As you can see, this is where the dogs can look at the neighbors and check out to see what is going on. So if you guys want to check it out, this is the view for the dogs from the doggy window that Robert built. He did a great job with the fence, and they are roaming around having a great time out here at the farm. Lynn, you having fun? You guys can see Robert did an excellent job with the fence. Everything is secured. Dogs are having a great time. Luna is loving it out here, and she is going to hope that you guys will continue taking the journey with us out here on the farm, and stay tuned for more.